So you've logged in to Go, and now you want to know how to use some of these different accounts. So the first one I want to show you is Think Central, which is our math expressions math textbook. So I'll click onto there, and the single sign-in will already get me in. So the different things that I have right now as a student is things to do, my library, or my scores. So if I want to check my grades, I can go here. If I want to look at things to do, if I have any assignments that are ready, they would be right here. Now, this person doesn't have any assignments, so instead they could go to my library. Now, if you're forgetting the homework or if you want to just practice some more problems, you can go to homework. Also see the student activity book. There is a parent's place, drawing tools, and iTools. So these are also great if they are working on something at home or just want some more practice. The one I want to focus on is the Math Activity Center. So when I click on that, it gives me a lot of options. I could practice the lesson that I've been working on, and it's all going to be based on your third grade. I could also go to, I could also check out the math readers, so read books about math. I could do lesson checks. I could do fluency practice, which is helping me just get that practice for my different facts, whether it be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But the one I want to show you is games. So the district has lots of different ones. You can either do Poggles about real numbers, Poggles for operations, or number relations. So these are games that can be played on both the computer or the tablet. So this is a great place to have more math practice. So I hope that gives you a little idea of how to use the Math Expressions Think Central tab.